Creating and managing membership plans in SuiteDash can seem complicated at first, but in this quick explainer, we'll show you how to set it up, manage, and adjust plans to fit your needs. Stay tuned, as we'll also touch on alternatives that might suit your business even better. By the end, you'll be equipped to make an informed choice. First things first, to create a membership plan, log into your SuiteDash account. Once you're in, head to the Membership section from the left-hand menu. Click on Membership Plans, and you'll be taken to a page where you can add a new plan. Here, you can give your plan a name, description, and assign a price. SuiteDash allows you to set up both one-time payments or recurring subscriptions, giving you flexibility depending on your business needs. Next thing, customization options. When setting up your plan, SuiteDash lets you define how the membership works. For example, you can specify the duration, whether it's a month-to-month subscription or a fixed-term plan. Plus, you can set up free trials, which is a great way to let potential customers try before they buy. You can also adjust payment methods by integrating with Stripe or PayPal to make the checkout process seamless for your members. Now, let's talk about managing your membership plans. After your plan is created, you can easily make changes or view member details directly from the membership dashboard. SuiteDash provides a clear interface where you can see how many people have signed up, manage renewals, and even offer discounts if needed. The real-time analytics here are powerful for understanding your revenue and adjusting strategies accordingly. Next thing, automating your membership plan management. One of the key features SuiteDash offers is automation. You can set up triggers that automatically send out emails when a member's subscription is about to expire or when a payment fails. This can help reduce manual follow-ups and save you time while keeping your members engaged and informed. The fourth thing, tracking membership activity. SuiteDash allows you to keep track of what each member is doing. You can monitor their access to your content, see if they're using certain features, and ensure that they're getting the full value out of your membership. If you ever need to revoke access or upgrade their plan, this can all be done with just a few clicks. Lastly, while SuiteDash offers some powerful tools, it may not be the best fit for everyone, especially when it comes to managing large-scale memberships. The user interface, while functional, can feel a bit cluttered and overwhelming, especially for new users. It's not the most intuitive when compared to some competitors. But don't worry, I've got a better solution for you. Now, here's the deal. You've seen how SuiteDash works, but for many businesses, there are other platforms that are easier to use and more suited for membership management. The alternatives I'm talking about also offer free trials and can provide a more streamlined experience. Stay tuned, as I'll be recommending some of these alternatives at the end. Finally, if you're still set on using SuiteDash, I've got a special offer for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial of SuiteDash. But remember, if you're looking for something that's simpler and might serve your needs better, the alternatives I've mentioned will also offer free trials and extra benefits for viewers like you. You'll get the best deals through our link. Don't miss out.